Are there more nutrients in the cooking liquid of greens than in the greens themselves after we have cooked them?
No, there's not more nutrients in the liquid than in the greens. There's a little bit. There's some stuff that leaches into the cooking liquid, especially if you boil. So we know that the more water we use in a cooking method, when that water is discarded, the more nutrient loss there is. So comparing steamed spinach to raw spinach or boiled spinach to raw spinach, you'll see that actually there's a little bit more nutrient density in the steamed spinach because you get the formation of some cool nutrients like lycopene in the cooking process. Um, but boiled, you'll have slightly less because you're losing some of those nutrients in the water, but it's a tiny, tiny difference. It's not meaningful. Like we don't need to be drinking the cooking water from our vegetables in order to like get those nutrients. Sure, if you want to save it and add it to soup, like that would be fine if you want to do that, or use it as the base of your smoothies. But it's a very small difference, and yeah, no, most of the nutrition stays in the vegetable. A tiny bit gets into the cooking liquid. That's why it kind of changes color a little bit. It's got some nutrients in it, but it's not an important amount to be worried about.